To make this, you would need a bowl of chopped cabbage, chopped brinjal, chopped onions, 1 tomato, 1 capsicum, 5 eggs, 2 tablespoons of mixed Italian spices, 1 tablespoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Put 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a non-stick pan. Put the onions and let it saute till light brown on a medium flame. Put the rest of the veggies and let it saute for another 5 minutes. Take 5 eggs in a bowl and beat it well. Add the salt and the mixed Italian spices. Mix it well. Pour the egg. Cover the dish and let it cook on a slow flame till the eggs are set. And it's ready.